Hey guys, how are you? First of all, I'm so sorry that I have not uploaded videos since long time, but I have something new for you. I'm going to upload some new videos on Marathi learning. In that we will cover numbers, sentences, then timing, and some usual phrases as well. But but for that you have to go through my previous videos, which are introduction to Marathi language, then vowels, consonants, barakadi, and vowel signs, so that we will be on the same page while learning. So, as I have told you earlier many times, that you have to practice to speak any language. So, keep practicing, try to speak, try to watch Marathi content, Marathi films. I will also suggest you some Marathi films which you can watch and learn something new from that film as well. If you have any doubt, comment section is always there. Just put your queries in comment section and keep learning. But before I sign off, I want to tell you something new. I'm going to upload another new series which will not just going to help in your day-to-day life, but it will help you to get a job as well. I'm going to start a new series of Lean Six Sigma in which where you can learn lot more new things about process capability, process improvement, and many more. So stay tuned. This channel is not going to freeze, or I'm not going to back out. I'm here to teach you something new every day. So stay tuned, share this channel, subscribe if you not subscribed yet,